Before you sign the papers on that new 2026 Escape Hybrid, you need to watch this analysis. We're revealing the true long-term financial footprint that dealers won't tell you about, comparing actual insurance premiums and repair complexities against its main competitors to see if it's really worth your hard-earned money. Hey everyone, welcome back to AeroNext Auto. A lot of US shoppers are checking out compact hybrid SUVs these days, with average gas prices around $3.50 a gallon and everyone wanting fewer trips to the pump. The 2026 Ford Escape Hybrid offers good efficiency and family-friendly space, but hidden costs like maintenance and insurance can add up fast after the sale. Let's break those down honestly and compare to the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Honda CR-V Hybrid. For 2026, Ford updated the Escape with sharper styling, improved interior tech, and refinements to the hybrid system for smoother electric-to-gas switches. It pairs a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine with electric motors for 192 total horsepower, solid for daily use, with quick electric torque helping on highway merges or city passes. Daily driving feels balanced. Merging is confident, the cabin stays quiet at 70 miles per hour thanks to better insulation, and the soft ride handles potholes well in towns or suburbs. It can feel a touch floaty on curves, steering is light for easy parking, and brakes blend regen smoothly. Real MPG holds up close to EPA estimates, 42 city, 36 highway, 39 combined for FWD, a bit lower with AWD. Owners often see high 30s to low 40s in mixed driving. At 12,000 miles yearly and $3.50 gas, realistic 38 MPG combined means about 316 gallons a year, roughly $1,105 in fuel. 5 years totals around $5,525, beating a non-hybrid compact that could easily top $8,000. U.S. pricing starts at about $35,085 for trims like ST Line Select, up to $38,405 for Platinum, plus around $1,500 destination. In Canada, expect roughly $44,000 to $48,000 Canadian dollars, with comparable hybrid setups but minor equipment differences. 5-year costs spotlight the hidden side. Fuel, $5,500. Insurance averages $2,100 to $2,200 yearly full coverage for a typical driver. $10,500 to $11,000 over 5 years, often $100 to $300 more annually than RAV4 or CR-V hybrid due to parts and hybrid factors. Maintenance averages $500 to $600 yearly, higher than segment norms around $500, so $2,500 to $3,000 over 5 years. Hybrid battery is covered 8 years, 100,000 miles. Depreciation is steep, around 50 to 55% in 5 years on a $36,000 base, losing $16,000 to $20,000 in value. Rough 5-year total beyond purchase: fuel $5,500, plus insurance $11,000, plus maintenance $3,000, plus depreciation $18,000 equals about $37,500. Pros: strong real-world fuel savings, smooth, comfortable ride, competitive pricing and tech, solid hybrid warranty. Cons: higher insurance than main rivals, above-average maintenance and repair costs, hybrid complexity potentially raising out-of-warranty bills. It suits commuters cutting fuel on highways, families wanting practical space and ease. Budget-focused long-term owners might pause due to those extras. Final verdict: the 2026 Ford Escape Hybrid is decent if efficiency and drive feel top your list, and you're fine with modestly higher insurance and maintenance versus Japanese options. But for the lowest overall 5-year costs, RAV4 Hybrid or CR-V Hybrid usually pull ahead with better reliability rep, lower premiums, and stronger resale. The hidden costs are legit. Get quotes and crunch your numbers before signing. If this helped, Consider subscribing for more real ownership takes. Check our CRV hybrid comparison next. The long-haul gaps really matter.